here, so I'll have to make this quick. If you guys want to see more of the leathercraft that we do, it's in the leathercraft playlist. Whole variety of stuff. This is for a subscriber. He wanted to this is the M-84. He wanted to do a scout carry sheath for an M-48 as you were, but it's an M-48. It gets hung kind of with that. It still needs some, you know, you got some trigger time, I guess, pretty much. But that's the crazy meat cleaver, the black meat cleaver of death. There's that crazy thing. The sheath it came with was pretty cheesy, you know. It's what it's like, rubber. It's like a rubber sheath, and he wanted something different, so he contacted me, and I'm just throwing this whistle with the compass and stuff in. I'm doing that. I'm just giving it to him. I think he wanted it for like a wave, to be able to fit a wave in here. So I have a template just to do waves and a technique for doing that. But there's that. It's scout carry. It's got all the stamps. It's cold out here. It's freezing actually. And I just wanted to show you guys real quick before I stuck this thing in the mailbox. And you know, I know he's probably anxious to get it back now because it's been a few days. But yeah, Matt, Prepping Survival, I just want you to know, appreciate it, and I hope you guys, get some use out of it. All right, God bless you guys. Take care.